Alright, I'm here now on my first ever ride on flying turns in a middle seat, so... Oh, hey! Just saw Owen, PA Coaster fan, on the flyer. And Michael Budami Coasters is in front. See, I'm in the middle seat, so I'm not sure, like, how the forces are gonna be. Running over a few leaves. Whee! Alright, time for the big one now. Big section. Oh god. Oh! Oh! Oh my god! Woo! Oh, that was actually forceful, even being in the middle. Hey, that was pretty good.
Another happy landing.
Now we get to wave to everybody in line. Oh, that was a bit sharp. Ah, nice. Yeah, that was a good ride. Definitely come to Knoebel's and check it out if you're interested in the world's only wooden bobsled.